Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you the correct way how to remove the mirror cover on Lexus CT200. Okay, let's see. We need the plastic trim tools. This is the damage why I take off and need respray. So let's take off first the mirror glass, what you just pull out. Looks just this. Okay. I take off the mirror cover and then I putting back the glass or just stick back with masking tape. I don't pull out because this is pretty much is corroded on, so very easy to make damage, and after the heating and the automatic dim, it doesn't work on the mirror, and this glass is very expensive. So after there is a Phillips screw, couple of Phillips screw. I think just need to take off the two top and that one. Sorry for the background noise, but the bin truck just arrived and made some noise for me. Take off this, all of them, and just have a look inside any clip or something. And yeah, there is a plastic clip what is in, so let's try push out. But what I do, I just try hit gently. You know what? Just in case, I take off this screw as well. This one maybe hold the bottom, and let's see now. Okay, let's bring the flat screwdriver. And let's need a flat screwdriver to and we need to find the other one. What is? I have no idea where it is. Okay, it's almost come off. Good, it's good news. So let's try. Okay. Something hold the bottom. So, okay, let's take off this last screw and maybe we find the last plastic ear what hold the cover. Yes. Yes. So absolutely is behind the unit. So if you don't want to broken, you need to take off all screw, and now very easy to come off without damage. And yes, this is the correct way to remove without damage the mirror cover on the Lexus CT. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.